Okay, so right now we're going to evaluate this table together. So we're told that this table over here, that was an eraser, sorry. We're told to evaluate this table right here. We are told that is a function. We are told to evaluate at f of 1. So evaluate f of x at f of 1. That's the question we are going to answer first. So I'm going to write f of 1 right here. Do you notice how with this f of x, x is originally inside the parentheses, but then we're put a 1 inside it instead? That's because we're going to replace x with 1. So on our chart, we're going to look at our x column, and we are going to go down the x column until we find 1. The number 1 is right here, so I'm going to circle that, and I'm going to circle everything next to it. We're looking for our y value, so next to it is a 10. So I know f of 1 is going to be equal to 10. Okay, let's try question 2. I'm going to do that in purple. We are now going to evaluate f of 2. So I'm going to write down f of 2. Same thing, I'm going to look for my x value of 2. I'm going to go all the way down till I find x value 2. Circle it. What's that y value next to it? 12. And then lastly, I'm going to do f of 3, but I'm going to change my color again. Let's do light blue. I'm going to write down f of 3. Now I'm going to go down my x column till I find 3. Because that's the number we're looking for. That's what's inside the parentheses. Circle it and circle everything next to it. What's that number next to it? Negative 100. So f of 3 equals negative 100. So long story short, you are looking for your x value and then finding the y value next to it.